Morning, all of you. In the previous session, we have gone through the basic proportionality theorem. Now, in this session, we will see the converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is BP theorem, or we called as Thales theorem also, and some question based on BP theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. Now, the converse of BP theorem, in converse of BP theorem, it is given in the question that a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Suppose this is a line DE which divides the sides of a triangle ABC in the same ratio, that it is given in the question, that is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, and we have to prove that this line must be parallel to the third side, means this line DE is parallel to BC. It's given in the question कि in triangle ABC AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, and we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Now, since it's not given that DE is parallel to BC, so I am going to construct a line segment which is parallel to BC. Suppose this is a line segment. Suppose this is DF. So I am going to construct a line segment DF which is parallel to BC. So construction is DF parallel to BC is drawn. Now I am coming on to proof. Since DF is parallel to BC, this is according to our construction, so I can use BP theorem here. That is AD by DB is equals to AF by FC. I can write here by using a Thales theorem or by using BP theorem. That is, in triangle ABC, DF is parallel to BC. This is our construction. So I can write here AD by DB is equals to AF by FC by using BP theorem. But it's given in the question is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. It's given in the question. So from these two statements, we can say that AD by DB, this is equals to AF by FC, this is equals to AE by EC. So I can write here कि from this equation and from this equation, that is from equation 1 and equation 2, I can write here that is AF by FC is equals to AE by EC. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add 1 to both the sides. That means AF by FC plus 1 is equals to AE by EC plus 1. Now I am going to take the LCM, that will be AF by FC by FC. Since this is 1, so it get multiplied by FC. Since this is 1, so it get multiplied by EC. So this is equals to AE plus EC by EC. AF by AF plus FC will be equal to AF plus FC will be equal to AC. So I can write here AC by FC is equals to AE plus EC is also AC. So this is can be written as AC by EC. Now from this equation I am getting here that a numerator is same, so denominator must be same. That means a FC is equals to AC. This gives that FC is equals to EC, and FC is equals to EC. This is possible only if E and F coincide on each other. That means if E and F are not a 2 points, that must be a single point, then only FC and EC can be equal. That means this implies F and E coincide on each other. This means that DE is equals to DF, and so we can say DE and DF are same line, and therefore we can say कि DE is parallel to BC. Now our theorem is proved. Moving on to the question based on BPT theorem. Let's see. I am going to take NCERT exercise 6.2 question number 2. It's given in the question that in triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 1.28 centimeter, PR is equals to 2.56 centimeter, PE is equals to 0.8 centimeter, and RF is equals to 9 centimeter. Now I'm going to make a triangle PQR. It's given a triangle. We have PQR in which EF is a line. It's a line, and we have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. Since the measurement is given, so I am going to use the same ratio. If the ratio is same, then we can say by converse of BP theorem, we can say that EF is parallel to QR. So I am going to find the ratio of the sides. It's given PQ, this hole is 1.28 centimeter. PR, this hole is 2.56 centimeter. PE is 0.18 centimeter, and RF, this side is 9 centimeter. So when PQ is given and PE is given, I am going to find EQ. In the same way, PF is given, RF is given, I am going to find PF. So let's do it. EQ is equals to PQ minus EP. That means this is PQ is 1.28 minus 0.18 centimeter. So I can write here 1.1 centimeter. In the same way, PF is equals to PR minus RF. This is 2.56 minus this is 0.9 centimeter. So we'll get here 1.66 centimeter. Now let's find out the ratio. In triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equals to 0.18 divided by 1.10. This can be written as 18 by 11. I have removed the decimal, so it will be 18 by 110. Now I'm going to cancel it by 2, 9 by 55. Now moving on to the next one, that is PF by FR. This is equals to PF is 1.66 and FR is 0.9. This can be 166 by, I am going to remove the decimal. I'll get here 166 by 90. I'm going to cancel it by 2. Now since PE by EQ is not equals to PF by FR, this means that EF is not parallel to QR. Why? By converse of BPT. By converse of BPT, we can say PQ is not, EF is not parallel to QR. Thank you.